Hi and welcome to this week's market update. Well, it's been an interesting few days. We saw a very big fall in the Dow on Friday night as the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell came out and made some very hawkish statements regarding interest rates and their concerns in the US around inflation. That saw the US market fall around 1,000 points and certainly rocked markets around the globe. It's been a bit of a settling pattern since then, and our market's actually up today, so looking quite good. We're drawing to a close for reporting season with the last few companies to report before the end of month. And generally, I think it's been a pretty good reporting season. Resource stocks have probably stood out, and certainly my two favourites, BHP and Fortescue, have both had very good results and are both projecting very good dividends and good futures looking at their projections going forward. Fortescue has got a dividend of $1.21 to be paid out in about a month's time. That puts the stock on a yield of around 12%, so it's still very attractive compared to pretty much anything else in the market. So I thought we'd talk about a couple of things this month that we suggested last month, a switch from Telstra for those that held it into Fortescue as an opportunity. And if you look at the performance we've had since that suggestion, Telstra has actually gone up, and if you include its dividend, it's up around 5%, which is quite good. But if you then look at Fortescue's actually gone up 15% from when we made this suggestion. So a 10% outperformance, which is pretty amazing. And I really feel that Fortescue's results show that they have very, very good prospects going forward with their results and their likely profits going forward, and the projects they're generally working on. So a great call from the team, something we're very proud of, that sort of 10% outperformance that we were able to predict. So yeah, as reporting season is drawing to a close, as I mentioned earlier, there's no really major companies left to report. So we're sort of left with a bit of a situation where market moving into September, we'll start to see the US come out of their summer holidays and the US market start to return to a more normal trading pattern. And that could be really where we see some indications whether the market is going to remain bullish over there, which it has been generally pretty bullish, or we may run into some selling, which is not uncommon coming out of the holidays and with the concerns around inflation. Well, that's this week's market update. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next week.